Hey there, Jacob here again from Summit Maids. Just wanted to give you a few tips on what to do when you are preparing for an appointment with a house cleaner. A lot of people wonder this, they're not quite sure what to do. Should they clean up a little bit beforehand? Should you just leave it? I mean, they are hiring a house cleaner after all. So I'm here to give you just a few tips on how to best prepare for your house cleaning appointment. Tip number one is do a little bit of decluttering. Frankly, at the end of the day, our job is going to be cleaning all of the areas of your house and making sure that you have an absolutely spotless home. But in order to do that, you need to actually be able to reach all of your surfaces. So if you do a little bit of decluttering, put away some of those extra dishes that might be sitting out on the counter, or clearing off of the dining room table if you've got some projects going on, that'll just make sure that our team is able to come through and do an absolutely fantastic job for you in an even shorter amount of time. So if you've been wondering about that, that's our tip number one. Tip number two, if you have pets, we recommend putting them in a contained area of the home. So maybe putting them in an extra bedroom, or if they have an outside, crate or kennel or something like that, maybe putting them outside. Just getting them out of the way, it usually is a better experience really for everybody. Your animal's gonna be a little bit less stressed. Our cleaner is gonna be a little bit more comfortable and able to work a lot quicker. I've got 2 cats here in my house, and so whenever a new cleaner comes over, we always make sure to put them in one of our extra bedrooms just to get them out of the way. And again, just helping to make sure that your cleaner is able to move through your home a lot faster and do a much better job. Tip number 3, while our teams are absolutely happy to help you out with dishes, dishes take a lot of time. So we recommend, if you have a dishwasher, just go ahead and loading that dishwasher before the cleaner arrives. Again, just because it's going to take a little bit more time. If you want them to do that, that is absolutely okay. We have plenty of clients who they want the cleaners to do everything top to bottom, take care of all of this, and that is no problem whatsoever. However, if you're a little bit more on the budget conscious side, this will be a tip that will probably save you about an hour's worth of time. And again, just make sure that the cleaners will be able to focus on the areas that you really want them to focus on and spend the most amount of time in those priority areas. So that's 3 of our best tips for just how to prepare for your appointment and really get the most out of it so that you're able to really enjoy the results of that good cleaning. And our team will really appreciate it because they'll be able to move through your house a lot easier. So we hope to see you soon, and have a fantastic day in the meantime.